Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC, and we're here at the RogueWave software booth at SC12 in Salt Lake City. I'm here with Scott Lasica. Scott, you know, we saw a big announcement from RogueWave about the Blue Gene Q, and this is a massive machine, I mean, with maybe 1 million or more cores. What kind of challenges does that present to you as a provider of debugger software?
It's a big challenge. You know, if you've got codes running across 500,000, 1 million, 1.5 million, as Sequoia has, cores, it presents a major problem when trying to debug at that kind of scale. Tracking down bugs, many times you can look at just a subset of your code and you can find the bug that you need, but sometimes you can't get it unless you get up to that scale. So our announcement this week is very exciting for us. Not only have we added our commercial support for Blue Gene Q as a platform, but we've also completed some testing on Sequoia itself, where we've scaled to half of the cores that we were given access to test on across the machine and hit no barriers. So the ability to debug at massive scale now with TotalView will soon be a commercial reality.
Okay, so, you know, Sequoia machine we're talking about, this is the #2 supercomputer in the world, 16 some petaflops, something like that.
Yep.
How did you get beyond that core limit that you used to have?
Well, we had to change the fundamental back-end architecture. So it used to be a one-to-many architecture where we had the one debugger attaching to many processes on the back end. As you can imagine, that doesn't scale. So what we've done over the past couple of years is completely redo the back-end architecture into a tree-based architecture. So now we have one to many to even more, and those will aggregate up, allowing you to get to the kind of scale that we've seen.
And what you learned from using many cores on the Blue Gene, will that help you with as the x86 come into the million range? Will that apply?
Yes, absolutely. So our first testing was on Sequoia as part of our work with Lawrence Livermore. That's their baby, right? That's their machine. But we are also going to be testing on Cielo. We'll be testing on other Cray, SGI hardware, HP, IBM. As we get access to it and we need to do our testing, we'll be going across all architectures, including new Xeon Phi.